Alright, now you're going to start scrubbing from the bottom, side to side. All the way. All the way to that. There you go. Past that line. Okay. There you go. You see how it changes the color? Because you're removing the top layer. It's already removed, but imagine it's like a powder that's on there. You're removing the top layer of paint that's already become a powder. This is called oxidation.
Now work downwards.
Spray some more. Okay. Afterwards, after you're done, go up and down in these crooks, in these notes right there. Right here as well. Kind of scrub up and down, okay? You want to put some effort into it with getting into that corner.